I was kindly offered this unusual ride.
Hopefully when we come down here at the end of next week, this will be looking nice, not all the... There'll still be certain swags in it, but not as bad as that.
I gather that what you can do after that is you come back and you muck it all up.
And start again.
Yeah.
I initially trained on this line in 1971.
Oh, I heard about that.
When it was still open. There was one train a day going into Bath Gasworks, and we had the possession the rest of the week. And we've done our driving and up through here, Manglesfield, Warmley, the lot. Had a wonderful time up here. And it's ironic I've come back here now.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
I filmed the last passenger train.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you think of their handiwork back at the station? Have you had a look at it?
Yeah, it's quite nice there.
Supposedly the inspector liked it.
Yeah. You know, considering it's what? 90% volunteers. It's,
yeah. Yeah.